Kalong shisha ka basautunat hadu kata bantip baha East Jainti Hill District kidon bon ki nongrep ki bapaka ki belak ban pendap omtang ya ke yeng kesem henry wat ban pendap ya ke district bat ya ke jelaru da ki marrep jongki ya kanele ya thu da president jongke Hills Farmers Union East Jainti Hill District uba danu shatlang ha ke Rakhe ya ke sngi burom ki nongrep ha ke program balapan long Hamadan Tailang Playground hadikia awas menta ke sngi Haba keren ko mukong san ha kene ke sngi umentri jong ko sarkar jela uba kermen chela ulapan pau yek jing sokmen baka don ke jingki ha karep karyang hapo jong ke district uloong baka jing don jong ke ne ke Hills Farmers Union kan yerap shiboni ki pai ba nong rep ha ke jela baro ke wei ha ke baka ne ke union kan yelam nanti ye ki nong rep ha ke ban penya yeu ye ki mar rep jong ki uloong bawat na kalyang jong ke sarkar ru ka jo ai men sem ye ki nong rep bandubla ban kenjo syakata ka thong ban pendap hi dalade yelade u sambut kongsan u deputy commissioner jong ke East Jainti Hill District u Abilash Venerwal u lapan pau ya ke jing sokmen bagi pat ba nongrep kilai poi syakane ka program hakane ke sngi kabolong ka sngi kerpang jong ki nongrep ulapan shlor bat aimen sem yeki bagi dei banwan syaka office jong u lada don kanu ke jing lada kidon kanu ke ujor ban pentip sya u bat ukular banakaliang jong ka DCO office kan ai ke jing trailang hakanu ka por ban kentiu ya ki nongrep namar deileng ba ki nongrep bo onla ban yo ya ka bam kabaman la ke sngi Layo ru ya ke jingkren na wahe shnong ka narwan uba lamsuk langstang bat la penbernya ya ke program da ke jingshat na ki nongrep ki penadik hiawas na saipung ya ke program la penya daw advisor jong HFU East Jainti Hill District uba coming one joy tlang
Jing em yong ki Hill Farmer Union ka to ya lu TP wa kamnu pelai yaw ya kini ki mar wa mi depi pimpe mat pi ki ting jing yo lesi wa kamnu pelai yaw ni bha kan ni dang dawa ba ke sarkar Meghalaya kan nidang encourage ko leni even senga yakin nongrep ulai khmat ni bha hadun ne gasni impm money self sustain ko ongi woto dadap kini ki jimpami daladi yeladi nete daw perchang wa ue kilat kiluti pinyo kat pe wala lamba ki em yo ki officer ki ui khnang wa phi yu ye pi pumi lamba ki jimpami yang phi yu dap i bat he ji por yu pelai chakibi tuan ki state pramarjan bat po yu gari hi brok ko wi Chim gani galat ekuplay, ya gani Hills Farmers Union East Jainti Hills but central body, ya gijing ye yang pi peman ya kam gani program how recognize leni timid yakin nongrep yang i sam kemen ong la wang sarkar Meghalaya ka de timid go yaki nongrep ha ga sotri yang December ande sam kemen ong wa wat haperdi gijing man yang kete sotri ha ga Sunday hanre ublai pinyo galat luti lamba yang kini giwe wo peman ka hagletrik negsgi bat kamjo yang central body kida peman gi hagasantrik kini ga program mem thut wat laman gisi sandele andre ki peman gi hakibituan giski khnau yoman gijumun toy yakin nongrep yang i hapo yo geste president jong ka Hill Farmer Union is jantia wo pai hapo yang kani ke district ngadu usna mar hajar khande nga da persyanga uyam lang wa kinongrap da persyanga ulai syam chakishnong ki waper hapo ka district kayongi bat shakiwi ki district ya kinongrap wo pelang belum ya ki marep kiyongki bat wo ya jan syaki kamnu penbha yang takarep karyang kamnu yo ke jingrap nga ki department yang kasarkan wo penbha penmiat ya kata karep karyang Taha kajing lai luti kayo nga bon kisni kisnam yua do nga samen menyo upo siya kata kathong nay tay daw pai khamat siya ka Hill Farmer Union na join siya ka bat na siya iya ka unit ha ka district kayong i wow pai ya kinongrap taha shwa wow mani ya kani ka program kama shibnay shibon kisnong kinongrap ngawo skatari wat katu kani ki wahe da persyangi ulai syam sya kisnong ki waper wotit kaya kata kajing ki nongrap khnang yo pasat ha kani kasngi ta nagata ka daw shimi ya karai wo pelang ki nongrap wo ke ya kani kasngi kam kasngi ka pang yong ki nongrap wa ka sarkar Meghalaya da declare ko Wapanman, Kasni Shisen Jisnam, Rakhe burom, burom, ïaka nongrep.
I just want to request you that if you have any complaints against any government department, if you have any requests from the district administration, please feel free to walk in my office, or you can speak with your Baheshnong. They can come to us. You can come to our Facebook page. The point is, whichever way you choose, you can come directly to me, and we'll try to ensure that all possible help is delivered to you. Grateful to Honorable Minister Sir for his constant support, and because over my interaction, over the course of my interaction with him, I realized that he really feels about the people, and it's a blessing that he is present with us here today, and I would request him for his continuous support for the upliftment of the farmers present over here. I promise that I will do everything possible with cooperation of the line departments in order to see that maximum benefits which are due to the farmers can be delivered to them.